Deleting your Questrade account involves a few key steps to ensure all your assets are properly managed and the account is closed smoothly. Here's how to delete your Questrade account. Log into your Questrade account. Access your account via Questrade's website or the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Clear your account. Liquidate assets. Sell any remaining securities or transfer them to another brokerage. Ensure your account balance is zero. Withdraw funds. Transfer any remaining funds to your bank account or another brokerage account. Contact Questrade support. Navigate to the help or support section on Questrade's website. Use chat, email or phone to request account closure. Submit closure request. Provide any required documentation or information as directed by Questrade. Confirm your intent to close the account. Verify closure. Monitor your email or Questrade messages for confirmation of account closure. Ensure there are no outstanding issues or fees. Check for final statements. Ensure you receive any final account statements and that all transactions are completed correctly.